Okay, so we're gonna go from over under. Okay, so remember this week we worked on setting up the single leg from here. Okay, so this hand's underneath. I got the same side leg in front. I'm grabbing here. I want to get his leg, but just reaching down and trying to grab, he's not going to let me get it up, right? I can blow out your O-ring trying to pull it up, all right? It's not going to happen. So from here, I need to be able to get some sort of dominance in this position so that when I push him, his leg's going to become light. So in order to do that, even though we're equal, it's basically 50-50, what I've got, he's got, I can get an advantage by getting my shoulder in the middle. So I don't have to squat, but I just want to get that shoulder. Once the shoulder's in the middle, if I'm occupying the middle, when I push, he's going to move, right? If I'm occupying the middle and he tries to push me, see, I'm not going anywhere, but I'm able to move him, okay? So it gives me a mechanical advantage. It's the same thing if we're tying up like this. If we tie up, even he's grabbing on here, right? If I'm just like this and I push him and he pushes me, whoever is bigger, maybe stronger, is going to get the move. But if I grab onto him and I get my elbow in the middle of his chest, so now we're here, when I push, I can drive him all over the place, okay? So I want to learn to occupy the center, right? So from here, I get my shoulder in, I occupy that center. From there, I just move down a little bit, just lowering myself to touch, okay? So I want to touch his leg. I don't have to grab it and pick it up. He's going to pick it up for me. I touch, and then as I drive, the leg becomes light. You see how I get my hips right in? I'm right into him. If I don't pull my hips, I leave space, he's going to hook there. He can even hook in the middle to stop me from pulling up, and then he's going to start to fight. So we're here. I'm occupying the center. I just touch. I drive, pick up. Now, I turn my head. I look this way, okay? I turn my head and I step, drop him, and then I'm gonna go to knee on belly, okay? When I do the step, I'm looking, but I'm not just going this way. I'm stepping about an angle and I'm going a bit behind him. So watch what happens if I step in the wrong direction. I come down, I drive, I get him up. If I just look and I start going this way, I have to put a rose in my teeth and then we dance, okay? Yeah, it's nice. As a dance, it's great. But as a takedown, it's lacking, okay? So we're here. I've got him. I'm gonna come down, touch, drive with my shoulder, pick him up here, right? I turn my head. Watch, I don't step here. Watch the angle. I'm going to the corner. That's going to drop him. Then I can go knee on belly. Does that make sense for everyone? Okay, good. So let's go nice and easy, slowly with your partner, okay? First thing, get the over-under position, and then occupy the center with your shoulder. Then you're going to come down. Just touch the leg, drive, make the leg light, step in and lift it up. Turn the head. Take your step, drop them, go for knee on belly. 3, 2, 1.